Oh, I saw this story. California driver caught with 23-inch satellite dish bolted to the hood of a Prius. This is Starlink, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So why would this person be doing this? What is the reasoning?
They wanted Wi-Fi.
No, I know, but they don't have a phone or something?
No, I guess not. I guess it's kind of a troll. It has to be. It has to be.
Well, they got pulled over. The police had a problem with it.
Yeah.
California Highway Patrol in the Lancaster area recently stopped a California business person who had installed a SpaceX Starlink satellite smack dab in the middle of their Prius's hood. So when they drove, they were, by their own admission, unable to see when they turned right. Okay, so they put it also. Did they have to put in that location? I don't know. Maybe it is a troll.
Done it on the roof or something.
Maybe it is a troll. You think they're trying to get Elon's attention?
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I stopped you today for that visual obstruction on your hood. Does it not block your view while driving? The officer in a Facebook post recalled asking the driver. Motorist said, only when I make right turns. Yeah, I still don't really know the incentive here. It says Elon Musk said it was a bad idea himself. But,
yeah,
I mean, even him replying to it, I don't know. Mm-hmm. Oh, no, he didn't reply to it. It was a separate post that they were analyzing. I don't know what to tell you about this. I really can't understand the incentive. It's okay. So it's cheaper data than cellular, I guess. It hardly seems worth it. I mean, you ruin your car. How did he mount it?
Yeah, I think this is just a stunt.
A stunt. Okay.
Just to get Elon's attention.
Let's go with that. Let's just call it a stunt.
Sure.
Let's go with that.